Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to clean and restore a very old gas stove in just 5 minutes with no strain and pain. So let's get started and check out the products we need. Today I have a very old gas stove. I haven't used it for years. It has a lot of carbon built in it. Let's see how to clean the stove in just 5 minutes. To begin with, scrub the carbon built in the stove. You can use a knife for this purpose. Remove all the carbon, and now we have the carbon stains left in the stove. Let's see how to remove that. Fire a piece of lemon in direct fire for 10 seconds. Make sure the lemon doesn't change color. I've taken a tablespoon of salt in a small bowl. Dip the lemon in salt and start to rub in the stove. Continue to rub for 1 minute. After 1 minute, sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda on top of it. Then add a tablespoon of vinegar. Start to rub again. The brown color in the stove will start to diminish. It's been 1 minute and the dark brown color has slightly changed. Clean it with a clean tissue. Now repeat the same process again. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of vinegar. Continue to rub for another 1 minute. If it starts to dry, you can add more vinegar and rub again. After 2 minutes, the stove is neat and clean. Clean it with a tissue paper. Let me quickly wash the stove and show you. Now the stove is shining like a new one. It just took me 5 minutes to clean the stove with very less effort. Hope this is a very easy and helpful hack. You can clean any type of stove using this method. It will remove any type of grease burn. So do try the stove cleaning hack at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.